Hello everyone. My name is Shyamul Hassan and my student ID is 4308702 and I'm going to present the coursework of research method. Today we will discuss how emerging communication technologies can transform the smart cities and villages, aiming for a future where urban and rural environments are more connected, intelligent and sustainable. Project Rational. Our world is rapidly urbanizing and going digital. These changes call for the smarter cities and villages where life is better for everyone. Just think of the smart cities as places where everything from the traffic to waste management is optimized for the sustainability and for the comfort. Our project looks at how new technologies like 6G, artificial intelligence, and blockchain can make this as a reality, aiming to create the places that are good for living, inclusive, and ready for the future challenges. Research type. This project is all about the applied research. Instead of just thinking about theories, we are focusing on the real world applications. We want to bridge the gap between what's possible in the theory and what works in the practice, helping the city planners, technology makers, and policy makers to make the smart decisions based on my findings. Imagine how GPS technology moved from theory to being used in everyday in navigation apps. Similarly, our project focuses on turning theoretical tech advancement into the practical tools for the cities and for the villages. Theoretical framework. There are basically two main ideas, urban informatics and digital urbanism. Urban informatics is about using the big data to understand and improve the city life, like analyzing the traffic patterns to reduce the congestion. And digital urbanism looks at how digital technologies changes the way we live in the cities, making everything more connected and efficient. Together, these theories guide our exploration of how technologies can make the cities and villages more smarter. Research methodology and design. Our approach mixes different research methods. We start with the literature review to see what's already known. Then we look at real examples like from around the world and talk to experts, policymakers, and residents to get a variety of perspectives. We are also comparing how these technologies work in the cities versus rural areas. This mix helps us to get a full picture of the impact of new technologies. Here is the data collection and its analysis. For data, we are looking everywhere from the academic journal to the city reports and direct surveys to the interviews. We use the statistical tools to make the sense of numbers and thematical data analysis to understand the people's opinion and experience. Keeping data privacy and ethical use of information in mind is a top priority for us. Limitations and ethical considerations in the project. Basically, every research project has its challenges. For us, these include difference in how advanced technologies are across the different places and potential biases in our data. Ethically, we are committed to keeping people's information confidential and addressing any concerns about the privacy and the fairness, uh, especially when it comes to the technology in the public spaces. Technical requirements. To do our work, basically we need special softwares for analyzing the data and secure the system for storing it. We also work with the tech companies to understand the latest in Internet of Everything and in the 6G. Uh, Tools like GIS software help us to visualize the data on the maps and making it easier to see how technologies can impact different parts of the city or villages. Our project is carefully planned over 18 months, starting with the background research and ending with sharing our findings. We are at various stages, like designing our study, collecting and analyzing the data, and then putting it all together to see what we have learned. Each phase is crucial for building a strong understanding of how smart technologies can benefit the urban and rural areas. Working on this project has been a journey of discovery. Like learning how data and technology can improve the cities was wonderful. I have faced the challenges like keeping up with the fast technology changes and tackling the ethical questions. And now I am excited to apply my findings in the real life settings and contributing to the smarter and more inclusive urban environments. Throughout my project, I was sticking to these references. This ensures that all the information and data I have used gathered properly and making my research reliable and more verifiable. Thank you to everyone.